We are here to speak about the
Clarity 2.
Clarity 2 laser. It is a 755 and 1064 laser, which doesn't have to mean anything to anybody, but let us explain the significance of why those numbers mean something. Those numbers are wavelengths. What makes the Clarity 2 laser unique, and it's one of a bunch of lasers that we have, but we like to use it specifically for hair removal because A, it's brand new. Anything new on the market has a few advantages. It hurts less.
Yep, faster technology.
Faster, exactly. Cooling system. It doesn't have to hurt anymore. People are still getting electrolysis. It's like, oh my gosh, my heart just aches for you. What we love about the Clarity is that you can also use it for different modalities. So what Lizzie and I will do whenever we're thinking of a plan with a patient is we'll say, okay, we're gonna laser hair removal your legs. And what's quick about that is that we can take off all your hair in probably 15 minutes or less on your whole body. It's also great because you can choose how long you want the heat to sit in the skin. So I'm always watching Lizzie play with like 2 milliseconds or 3 millis, and I'm always trying to learn from her why she's picking that, because she's really good at it. And why that's important is that we can also, with the Clarity, target lighter hair. So whereas beforehand, when you had light brown hair, now white hair and super blonde hair is still going to be very minimal in the reduction. It'll help, but it won't be completely gone. But with lighter brown hair now, that's very vellus, which means soft, thin, this laser can pick it up. So you get way more elimination of the hair in general. What I see Lizzie do in there is that she will, let's say, take off somebody's leg hair, right? And it goes super fast. And you can set it so that there's an automatic overlap too, so that we're not getting gaps. So instead of her deciding to fire the energy here and then here, so she leaves a big gap here, with this laser, it can just overlap itself. So you can do a 10 or 15% overlap, and that's really helpful as well.
Such a good result.
That is nice, because you don't get patchy. But then what I see her do is that she'll take the cooling off, right? The cooling factor is for comfort. Nice. Right? It shoots cold nitrogen at you. But when she takes that off, now she's eliminating pigment. So she's using the same machine as almost an IPL, which is an intense pulse light, and it can remove a bunch of surface pigment. So what we encourage our patients to do is to not only consider laser hair removal, but getting your whole body lasered. I mean, literally thinking like you're a pancake. We flip you over one way, then we flip you over the other way. What that's doing beyond the hair is it's making the skin look incredible, because you're getting that heat and that energy penetrating the skin. It's also eliminating anything pigmented that could be precancerous, right? So getting this done a few times at the end of the summer or before the summer or mid-summer, these are all sun-safe lasers, are not only preventative in a certain way, which a lot of people can think about getting behind, but you'll see the results of them even further on. Don't you feel like with the Clarity?
I could not agree more. I think our laser package is a great value, actually.
Yeah.
I think coming in and treating not only your full face, we dermaplane every time, treat the full face, and then full body laser hair removal, and go after stubborn pigmentations also on like arms, legs, back, stomach, whatever it might be. Coming in once a month, patients love the way that not only their skin looks, but also we're reducing hair every time that they show up for an appointment.
Well, because imagine you're getting 12 lasers in a year.
Yeah.
And we will use multiple lasers on you too. So if, for example, we also, during your full body laser, we're looking at spider veins. So if you have those little capillaries, well, Lizzie's going to switch it up, switch the settings, or switch to a different laser. The Clarity can address it too, but we're going after everything. So instead of just thinking hair, again, think about this French NP approach that we believe in treating everything. So it's not about just, oh, now I don't have hair. Okay, well, do you have spider veins to Timbuktu? Do we want to really show off these stems that you have? Or do you have sunspots all the way down? The thing that drives Lizzie and I the craziest is when somebody has the most porcelain, beautiful skin on their face, and then
hands, neck, other features don't match.
Right. It has to all connect. Think about full body lasers monthly for a year as being an investment in not only prevention, you're boosting collagen, your skin will never look better. Everybody who did it last year loved it. And as soon as their package ended, they were like, this is such a difference. They had such a difference that they're like,
we get sad too because you get used to seeing everybody every 4 weeks, and then it's like,
we do.
Bye.
We do. We love lasers.
We just want to treat you head to toe.
Head to toe. Head to toe.